We know that the FDA required that combination pain medicines they were limited to 325 milligrams of acetaminophen. And generally, patients would be absolutely told not to take over 4 grams, and that's been around for a long time. And we were discussing at dinner last night, I've seen recommendations as low, they were in the discussion with drug companies about going as low as 2.4 grams. And I know you guys have a really nice card that you have, and I think they're recommending around 3 grams, which is, to me, even safer than the 4 grams per day. And it continues to be a major reason for the need for liver transplantation is acetaminophen overdosing. But if you practice, for example, in the emergency room, I had a very interesting thing. One of my clinical coordinators had done a residency at a big hospital X. And somehow he was doing chart reviews, and this is in the days when we still had Darvocet, right? Well, the patient came in with the Darvocet overdose. So they right away gave him the naloxone. Case solved. Oops. Nobody did anything for the acetaminophen portion, and the person died from acetaminophen toxicity that went untreated, because people forget the combos have 2 or 3 drugs in them. So always put that in the back of your mind. So we want to make sure that we really convey to patients how important it is to follow the over-the-counter labeling and not to take multiple acetaminophen-containing products. Not to take alcohol while taking acetaminophen-containing medications. And I haven't looked at it, but I think that label warning is probably also on ibuprofen. Any of those drugs that go through the liver makes me wonder if alcohol, is the brightest idea.